In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in Zoho Books. If you've ever had one receipt that covers different types of spending, like part of it is office supplies and part is travel, you'll want to record that accurately. Splitting an expense lets you allocate portions of a single transaction to multiple expense accounts, so your reports stay clean and meaningful. Start by going to Expenses in the left pane. From here, you can either click New to create a fresh expense, or open an existing one if you've already recorded the total but want to split it now. The process is the same in both cases, so choose whichever fits your situation. On the expense form, look for the expense account area and click Itemize. This is the key. Turning on Itemize tells Zoho Books that you want to break this one expense into multiple lines that each point to a different expense account. Think of it as creating a small table where each row represents a portion of the total. Once itemization is enabled, click Add New Row. In this row, select the appropriate expense account for that portion and enter the amount you want to allocate there. If your expense spans more than 2 accounts, just add another row for each portion you need to split. Repeat this until you've represented all parts of the purchase. As you add rows, keep an eye on the total. The sum of the amounts in your itemized rows should match the overall expense amount. If it doesn't, adjust the numbers so they balance out. This simple check helps prevent reporting mismatches later. If you opened an existing expense, you might need to redistribute the amounts so everything adds up correctly. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will store the expense with each portion mapped to the correct account, so your expense reports, profit and loss, and category totals will all reflect the split accurately. You can always come back later, edit the expense, and adjust the itemized amounts if you need to refine your allocation. To quickly recap, open or create the expense, click Itemize in the expense account section, add new rows for each portion with the right account and amount, make sure the totals match, and then save. That's all there is to it. With this simple method, you'll keep your books precise and make your financial insights clearer and more actionable.